Got my hot and holy chicken. Got my hot... Oh, my goodness. Here we are again. Hi, this is DJ Biblical B. And, man, let me tell you, got a new, fresh batch of hot and holy chicken. Look, it's right here. I made it. Beautiful, nice, and glistening. That hot and holy chicken. Yeah, but let me tell you this. I'm going to show you how to make that hot and holy chicken. You don't need a whole lot to do it. You just got to have a little love inside your heart. You got to have your chicken. You got to have a whole case full of spices. You got to be able to have all the different things that's going to help you to make that hot and holy chicken. So, but you know, I know a lot of people out there wish they could have this hot and holy chicken. Well, this batch I have to take to my job tomorrow over at this wonderful place that we call Home to the Hot and Holy Chicken.
Honey, could I have one?
Huh?
Can I have one?
Hold on, man.
I just want to try one. Just one.
You just want to try one?
Just one.
Why?
They look good, honey.
They look good? Oh, what do you know about hot and holy chicken, girl? Oh, wait. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. I tell you what. If my co-workers don't mind, and all the other people that I promised this hot and holy chicken don't mind, I just might go ahead on and do that. You think I should, people? My lovely wife. That's the least I can do is give her one bit of this hot and holy chicken. I'm going to just reach down there. And let's just say that today the color is blue. So I'm just going to go ahead on and reach in here and get her a nice bit of this hot and holy chicken. Oh, man, see, look, it's falling off the bone. Oh, look at that. That's that hot and holy chicken flavor. But wait. Before I give it to her, I got to put the sauce in there. Now, you see, this is almost all the sauce, and I got to turn it on. So I can't show you how to do the sauce because the sauce is patent pending, and it's copywritten. But look how thick that sauce is as it's going into my pot. Yeah, that's it. All that sauce. Don't need a whole lot, because remember, hot and holy sauce goes good with chicken, goes good with turkey, beef. You can use it on sandwiches. You can use it on vegetables, mixed vegetables, of course. You can use it on pasta. Anything that can take salt and pepper, you can use the hot and holy sauce. And so you just take the hot and holy sauce and you warm it up nice and hot. It's going to start bubbling in a minute. Got to turn this thing on here. And you just listen to it. It's making that little noise. It's almost about to be. Something's happening in that pot. It's that hot and holy sauce. The flavor is in the sauce. I'm just putting it on the chicken, and I'm just like, whoa, what's he doing?
Dad, can I try one?
Oh, what do you want, son?
I want a hot and holy chicken.
Why you want a hot and holy chicken?
Because I've been waiting all day.
You been waiting all day for the hot and holy chicken?
Yeah, man.
Son, I got to take care of your mom first, and then I'll take care of you. Everybody keeps calling me up.
Honey, is the chicken ready yet?
Is the chicken ready yet? Okay, I tell you what. See how it's bubbling right here? I'm going to have to put the sauce on it because it has just a little bit of sauce. But you want just the chicken or you want the chicken and the sauce? The chicken and the sauce. Chicken and the sauce? What you want? Chicken and the sauce?
Chicken and the sauce.
Chicken and the sauce. Okay, so now you see that sauce is right there. It's nice and it's loose. And then you take that sauce. See how that? That's that hot and holy sauce. That's the famous hot and holy sauce. And then you take that hot and holy sauce and you just pour it diagonally on that hot and holy chicken. Look at that. That's hot and holy chicken. Hot and holy sauce. Well, look at that. Kids can't get enough of that hot and holy sauce. It's just all over there. And that's how it's going to come out. Just turn that fire off right there. And that's what it looks like. Hot and holy chicken, hot and holy sauce, made by one and only DJ Biblical B. Now, next time you see me, I'm going to actually show you how to make this hot and holy chicken. Oh, yes, I said that before. But you know, I have to make sure I got the thing right. So, tune in next time. Stay close. Let me know what you want on your hot and holy chicken. In the meantime, okay, son, let me give you a piece of this hot and holy chicken. Oh, no, mama's first now. Got to give mama her piece. I don't want mama to have that. I want mama to have a whole new piece. We'll just put you right there. Better get that hot and holy. Here you go, honey. That's a nice piece of hot and holy chicken with the hot and holy sauce.
Thank you, honey.
Okay, and my son there, pro football player, come to me. Gonna give you a nice piece of that hot and holy chicken. There you go. Thank you. You're welcome. All righty. Okay, so there you go. So in the meantime, just check with me next time, because I can only get one piece at a time because I got to feed my coworkers tomorrow. In the meantime, this is DJ Biblical B saying, we out, man, with the hot and holy chicken. Bye.